Ena mana, ena reo, ena waka, ena iwi, he mihi mahara, tō koutou, tihei Māori ora. Kia ora tātou, ko Mona Whau te mona, ko Waitamata te mo ana, ko Heko te waka, ko i te hone Reidy, ko rangatira, ko hato maka te whare tipuna, ko Peter Reidy, ko tu ingoa, ko Ngāti Pākehā, ko tu iwi, ko i te rangatira, ko Fletcher. Good afternoon, my name is Peter Reidy, and it gives me great privilege to lead this session this afternoon. Welcome to everyone. Water, or wai, is the life giver of all things. For Māori, water is so much more than what we call a resource. It's the lifeblood. It connects this generation with the tupuna ancestors who came before. It's not just physical, it is spiritual. Water is taonga. It's one's health, my health, your health. We're deeply connected to the health of our water in this country. For many of us, it's taken longer for us to come to that same understanding. Like me, you've grown up believing that this river would be swimmable, this water from the taps would be drinkable, that it would rain in winter or would play under the hose in the summertime. Our waste and storm water would magically disappear. And that understanding has changed in this country. Sadly today, more than 1 million New Zealanders do not have access to safe drinking water, and 34,000 of us get sick every year from drinking dirty water. Fletcher has sponsored this session of Rebuilding Nations because in no other sector is it more important to build back better than in our three waters infrastructure, a sector under enormous pressure as funding needs grow, as we've heard today, larger and public expectations grow deeper. My job today is simply to introduce water experts from New Zealand and offshore to shape and share their experience